And friends who are out there selling today, I can't stress enough how important it is that you develop a really clear mindset of who your customer is. Amazon calls it customer obsessed. In visionary mode, it's really easy to build up the ideal user in our mind. They get it, they see the brilliance of the product, they know exactly how to use it. But when the product meets the real world, we don't get ideal users. We get busy ones, blocked ones, confused, distracted users. Jesus called them sheep without a shepherd. That's who you're really building this product for. So I want you to get into the mindset that you're going to do the hard, unglamorous, often unproductive feeling work of going out there and really understanding these customers. One thing you could do is set up an advisory council of your top users. Invite them to give you feedback and also share how they have been successful. Go on site when you can and see the product inside of your user's real environment. And never underestimate the value of making your own sales calls. Get to know the real people who your product is built for. And when you do that, you'll know how to give them something that they can't live without. Suddenly, your product sells itself.